that we're breaking down for this morning is Tesla, or ticker symbol TSLA. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're starting from the daily interval. This allows us to find the overall direction and trend that our stock is in. So let's go ahead and get into it, you guys. So we're up nearly 4 or 5% this morning. Let's look at our volume. So we're at 6.3 million. So that's a lot higher than we usually are around this time. The market just opened about 30 minutes ago, you guys. So overall, it's looking good on this end. Let's go into our support and resistance lines really quick for our new viewers, and then I'm going to go into exactly where we're at currently with the individual candlesticks. So this top line represents a major resistance line. You can see easily that once we came up here, we got rejected. A couple times back here rejected, over here rejected, and then lastly the fourth or fifth time we tested this area, we got fully rejected all the way down to our major support line, which is our lowest area tested. You can see that we bounced from this area, and back here we bounced from this area, and currently over here. So this is a very, very easily chart to understand and read once you know exactly what you're looking at, you guys. So these lines have to be respected, you guys. These are heavily tested areas. So now let's get into where we're at currently. You can see that when we opened this morning at 9:30, we gapped up and broke past this previous pivot, you guys. So that is also a great sign. We are above the trend line as well, so that is another good sign. The RSI, however, does look a little bit overextended. We're getting really, really close to being overextended. However, you guys, that's not really anything terrible to have happen. I do believe that we can push up just a little bit more, probably to, let me zoom out just a little bit so I can see these previous pivots. More than likely, probably up to the 665 area before we start pulling back. But if you want to stay on the safe side and if you wanted to get in now, I would wait till we could pull back down to this lower level or this lower pivot, that being around the 633 area. But ultimately, guys, if you wanted to get in, I don't really see it with an issue. If you plan on holding long term, obviously, or swing trading, have your stop loss back down here underneath the support line, that being at the 587 area or the 590 area. Anything below the 594 level is okay. And then obviously your first target is going to be back up here at the $702 level. And then once we can break past that resistance, then we'll start talking about your second target being the 878 level. Okay, so we have a long way to go from there, but we are recovering and we are starting this reversal, you guys. It shows that buyers are stepping up. So overall, I don't really see this as an issue with getting in. Just make sure to take the right precautions, you guys, and be careful. I'm going to go down to the 1 hour just really quick, just so I can have a look on the chart. Yeah, so I mean, like I said, overall, I think we can push up to, we're actually kind of right there, but probably around the 654 area, and then we'll probably pull back down to the 635. Like I said, that'd be a great entry there as well. So if this video helps in any type of way, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content Monday through Friday, every other day. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.